Welcome to the 2695 floor plan here in Waxahachie, Texas. I love this beautiful floor plan. 4 bed, 3 baths, the total package. Let's go in and check this one out. Currently in Myrtle Creek. Let's go in and take a look. Over here to the left, we have a bedroom, which is an ensuite, by the way. Super convenient. You're gonna have this for your guests, kiddos, grandparents, you name it. Prairie Homes, another premier builder here in Dallas, Fort Worth. And they build across the entire Dallas Fort Worth Metroplex. I love the entryway here with the mud bench. Step right on in. Look at this. Loving the kitchen and dining area. And it's open. I prefer open concept. This one is convenient for you. Open concept layout, luxury finishes, brand new, move-in ready. So if you're the type that has time to build, you have that option. So we have that option to build or buy. We got the gas cooktop right here. Walk-in pantry. Built-in appliances. As you see right here, we could comfortably fit 3 bar stools. So if you like entertaining for guests, if you want to eat in the kitchen, you have that. You have that as an option. Before we visit the primary suite, let's go back here. Another full bath right here. It's a nice feature. To the other bedrooms. This one is designed for a girl, so you guys get the concept for the kiddos. Let's take a look at the closet space. It's a nice size closet. Nice size closet. Great job with the finishes. Here's a laundry room right here. You guys get the concept. Let's move right along to the main event. Primary suite. Man, there's so much you could do with this primary suite. That freestanding tub, walk-in shower, his and her sink. You have the enclosed toilet space for right here. Oh man. Look at that. Look at that. Here's the closet. You have his and hers closet, his and her sinks. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. We all need our own space. Excuse that extra noise. But this is the walk-in shower. Premium touches. Yeah. Look at that. Another closet. So you guys have your own dedicated space. Windows, like that, privacy windows. Here's your linen closet. Some shelves, adequate storage. Yeah. When it comes to picking one of the best builders in the Dallas-Fort Worth market, Perry Homes is at the top of the list, okay? They don't shortcut anything. This is luxury premium products that any home buyer would appreciate. So, put Perry Homes at the top of your list. This plan is the $26.95 plan. Let's check outside. Now they have the pavers on this one. So the model obviously will be pretty decked out. So the pavers don't come with it. The Texas Black Rock, that wouldn't come with it, but you could have an idea of some hardscape that you could enjoy and later get installed once you decide to purchase your Perry home. But this is it. This is it. If you're looking for affordable, luxury, premium homes, you have the covered patio right here, the ceiling fan already installed. However, I don't think ceiling fans really matter in this Texas heat. It won't make a huge difference, okay? Right here, let's check out we already have the gas hookup right here. Yeah. So let me know, what do you guys think? A huge fan of Perry Homes. If you guys don't know by now, there is plenty to choose from in this market. This is where myself as your agent, this is where we come into play. Okay, we help reverse engineer your goals. So based on your lifestyle, based on your budget, based on your time frame, we go through a checklist to help you make the home buying process as simple as possible. Few questions we ask. Do you prefer new construction versus resale? What part of the region of Dallas-Fort Worth do you prefer? North, south, east, west, okay? Do you want a one-story home versus a two-story home? Do you prefer an HOA community? Do school districts matter? I'll tell you this, school districts, without a doubt, they matter. And I would recommend anybody, and I'm limited as far as what I could say, as far as school districts, but I would recommend any buyer to purchase in a preferred school district that's A-rated or better, or B-rated or better. Those things have a ripple effect when it comes to buying. And if you're paying property taxes, you want to make sure that the school district is doing the best job to allocate those funds and the kids are getting premium education. So those things matter. This is where we come in as your agent. Also, we have relationships with the builders. We understand the incentives. We understand how much wiggle room they have in their back pocket to get you the best deal as much as possible. All right. So I may sound like a broken record, but we have to explain these things to buyers and remind them, you don't have to do this alone. I am a home buyer. I have that, like, the psychology of what it takes as a home buyer. I purchased several homes. Let me be that guiding light for you. And these conversations are fast and free. Okay? People ask us for recommendations. This is why I developed a complimentary DFW relocation guide to help buyers in this market. Anyway, this is a beautiful floor plan by Perry Homes. They have something for every home buyer. So you're not limited to just this one. If you are interested in an inventory home, or if you want to explore build options, we are here for you and happy to set up an appointment with the builder. And that part, it's free. It's no cost to you, and utilize your resources. So if you don't have somebody, now you have somebody, right? I have the philosophy of never meet a stranger, right? Happy to help. If you want to utilize the booking link to explore your real estate goals, if you're planning to buy this year or next year, it doesn't matter. So we will see you guys on the next episode.